Alright, so I've decided that I want to go with tinted taillights on my 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. We've been through several different variations of taillights on this thing. If you've been following me for a while, you've kind of seen the process. We went from stock to custom dynamics LED, which was a huge upgrade. We've recently gone from their standard LED taillights to the Probeam taillight. So we're going to kind of compare the Custom Dynamics Probeam red taillights to the Custom Dynamic Probeam smoke taillights. So hopefully you'll be able to get a good comparison, and we'll turn the lights on in a minute here so you can kind of see what they look like red, and then after the install I'll show you what they look like tinted, and try maybe to do a side by side somewhere in there. But I just thought it would be kind of wasteful to do this swap without making some sort of video about it, so I decided comparison video, because you've already seen how to install this stuff. So just for the heck of it, join me as I remove this old stuff and install the new stuff. Basically what we're going to be doing is changing the laydown taillight to the smoked Probeam LED taillight, and we're going to be removing the Probeam filler panels and replacing them with the smoked as well. Step 1, get the saddlebags off. We've got the saddlebags off. That'll make it a lot easier when we remove these filler panels. These are not fun to remove, by the way, because they've got the 3M double-sided tape. So we're going to work on it though. Let's give you a look at what these look like red, just a reminder, and then we'll get them swapped. Alright, well we might as well start with the easy one, the tail light. So another thing that this is leading to is I want to start switching all of the hardware that is chrome on my motorcycle over to black. So you can see, like, I've got the smoked lens. I went with the smoked lens on my fender tip light, and I also went with the smoked lens on my LED bags. This part is chrome, so that'll eventually have to get switched to black, so I'll be changing that again. I need to change this to black. Not exactly sure how I'm going to go about that yet, but that's kind of part of the process. But for now, just getting the lights switched over to tint is going to change the look of the bike quite a bit, I think. I think before installing this tail light, we're going to work on getting that reflector off of the license plate, because we need to get rid of that. I've got plenty of light on the rear of my bike, so really don't need reflectors. Alright, now that we got that reflector dilemma taken care of, let's go ahead and install this smoked Probeam taillight from Custom Dynamics. Alright, so the easy one is done. We've got the smoke tail light, and already you can see it's kind of changing the look of the back of the bike. So I'm close to it right now, so I can't really tell, but we're going to go ahead and get these LED Probeam fillers swapped out. Get ready for a good time. the key to heating these things out is really just patience. Don't get too crazy. I mean, it's very strong double-sided tape, but you really want to get to the point where you can just gently start pushing it out. You don't want to be prying on this or anything like that, because the plastic is going to crack. You don't really want to be heating up the front of this too much because the plastic will warp. So it's kind of a gentle balance of heat it up, try and push it out, heat it up. Once it starts coming out, it comes out pretty easily. But just definitely don't force it and take your time and you'll be able to get them out. Alright, time to get these in place and show you what they look like. I got all the old adhesive removed from these filler areas. I'm just going to give them a quick wipe down with some alcohol. Alright, well, I've got them plugged in, they're in place. Well, I guess it's time to see how they look, so let's go ahead and turn the bike on and do that. Pretty dang good. Now if you're saying, well, the lights on the tour pack are still red, yes they are, but Custom Dynamics doesn't make this in smoked yet, so I have a different plan. In an upcoming video you'll see just what I'm planning on doing with the tour pack lights. Yeah, see if I can get rid of that red. So I'm a hot sweaty mess and it's supper time. I'm gonna go. Have a good one. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Really appreciate that. If you haven't yet, consider hitting the subscribe button. It's going to pop up right around here somewhere. And if you'd like to see another video from me right away, you can check out this one over here. And down here is one that YouTube thinks you might like. That's going to do it. Stay safe out there as always. I thank you so very much for checking out this video. Take care.